In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Asana features comparison for project management. When you're choosing a project management platform, clarity, speed, and the right feature set make all the difference. Today, we'll look closely at how ClickUp and Asana approach work management, their AI capabilities, team workflows, integrations, and the kinds of results they're built to deliver. By the end, you'll have a clear sense of how each platform is positioned and which strengths might align best with your team's priorities. Let's start with ClickUp. ClickUp positions itself as the software to replace all software, aiming to consolidate tools, save money, and streamline workflows under one roof. A core idea behind the platform is reducing what it calls work sprawl, the scattered context-switching chaos that causes tasks, updates, and decisions to live in too many places. The claim that a significant portion of work gets lost in context is what drives ClickUp's emphasis on unification. One workspace, one source of truth, and one set of features designed to eliminate friction. At the center of that strategy is ClickUp Brain, a 24/7 intelligent assistant built to surface the right information, answer questions, and support the flow of day-to-day work. In practice, that means you can pull insights from docs, tasks, and projects without digging through tabs. It also includes AI talk-to-text, which is designed to help you capture thoughts and draft content significantly faster. If you're the kind of team that loses momentum jumping between notes, tickets, and chat, this always-on assistant is meant to keep context close and typing time low. ClickUp extends AI even further with specialized agents that focus on departmental needs. A project management agent helps track deliverables and timelines so owners, dependencies, and status updates stay accurate. A marketing agent drafts copy, helping teams move from brief to first draft quickly. A software agent is geared toward code generation and quality assistance. Additional agents aim to support operations, employee experience, and routine check-ins, closing the loop between strategy and execution by removing manual status chasing. The idea is to offload repetitive coordination and content generation so teams can focus on decisions and delivery. On the results side, ClickUp reports significant returns on investment and notable time savings across organizations that adopt it, with a payback period measured in months rather than years. The platform is also enterprise-grade, meeting widely recognized security standards such as SOC 2 and GDPR, and it's used by a very large global user base. In short, ClickUp is built to be an all-in-one, AI-forward control center for projects, documents, and collaboration, especially compelling if you want depth and breadth in a single place. Now, let's look at Asana. Asana describes itself as a leading platform for human and AI collaboration, helping teams manage projects, tasks, and cross-functional workflows in a way that ties daily work to strategic goals. Asana AI introduces AI teammates and smart assists that learn from your organization's context. The more your team works in Asana, the more the AI gains understanding that can be applied to task creation, prioritization, and follow-through. This is designed to raise clarity and accelerate execution without pulling people away from where work already lives. Asana offers specialized capabilities across project management, workflows, and resource management, with tailored solutions for marketing, operations, and IT. In practical terms, that can look like mapping a go-to-market plan from strategy to creative production and approvals, or routing IT requests with automated triage and standardized SLAs. Asana emphasizes alignment, so leaders can connect objectives to programs, programs to projects, and projects to tasks, ensuring that effort is traceable from top to bottom. Another strength is Asana's broad integration ecosystem, with support for hundreds of popular tools. That lets teams bring in files, messages, customer data, and code changes so activity across apps contributes to a single, connected source of work. Use cases range from creative production to product launches and employee onboarding, helping companies build repeatable processes that scale. Asana is widely adopted by enterprise organizations and has been recognized in industry analyst reports, which speaks to its maturity for complex cross-team coordination. Seeing them side by side, the difference in approach becomes clear. ClickUp aims to centralize as much as possible in one platform, using a wide range of native features plus AI agents to handle execution and content creation across departments. It leans into being your operating system for work. Asana focuses on clarity of goals, orchestration of workflows, and scaling alignment with AI that behaves like a teammate embedded into your existing processes. It leans into being the backbone that connects work to strategy. Here are a few practical tips as you evaluate. Start by mapping your current tool stack and the pain points causing the most context switching. If you want to compress docs, tasks, whiteboards, and AI into a single home with broad native coverage, ClickUp's all-in-one design and AI agents may be compelling. If your priority is tying initiatives to measurable outcomes, standardizing work orchestration, and using a large integration library to meet teams where they already operate, Asana's structure and AI teammates may be a strong fit. Whichever you consider, pilot with a focused team and a single, well-defined workflow. Measure time to set up, the number of clicks to complete common actions, the quality of AI outputs on your own data, and how easily stakeholders can see status and risks without a meeting. Also check security posture and admin controls against your organization's requirements, and confirm that integrations central to your use cases are reliable and easy to maintain. Both platforms are designed to scale and to supercharge productivity with AI. The best choice is the one that reduces friction for your people, surfaces context the moment they need it, and turns plans into progress with fewer handoffs and less busy work. With a clear understanding of their strengths, you're ready to select the platform that aligns with your goals and the way your teams actually work. If you found any value in today's video, hit that like button, drop a note in the comments, and subscribe to our channel.